Vivo launches its new smartphone under T4 lineup in India called Vivo T4 Pro, with AI features. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo T4 Pro features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus quad curved AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 5000 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen is protected by diamond shield glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, paired with Adreno 722 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of optics, the Vivo T4 Pro sports a triple camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is another 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 90 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on FunTouch OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.53 by 76.96 by 7.53 millimeters, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo T4 Pro has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 27,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256 GB storage model is priced at 29,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256 GB storage option is priced at 31,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 29, in blaze gold and nitro blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo T4 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.